Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ria and today I'm going to be doing a Coachella inspired makeup look. You can totally wear this look to Coachella if you're going, but if you're not going like me, you can just enjoy this video because I feel this video is going to be slightly fun because I'm going to create a crazy look because Coachella is all about those crazy looks and going crazy with your hairstyle, outfit, makeup and all that. And what actually inspired me to do this video was this face sticker which I got from BhCosmetics about an year ago. And last year when I received this sticker, the Coachella was over, so I thought I'll do it next year. Hence I'm here in 2019 doing a Coachella look with this face sticker, and I feel the sticker is so pretty. It has like iridescent jewels in it and pink kind of a vibe, so I'm gonna be creating an eye look inspired with this. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and now I'm gonna quickly go and I'll do a voiceover because I feel if I talk through the video, this video is gonna be super long, so I'm gonna do a voiceover. Now you enjoy the video and now let's start.
So guys, first of all, I'll be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer onto my face. I'll take some on my finger and apply it on my T-zone area and other areas that I feel the need to prime. And moving on to the foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me. And the reason I'm using a matte foundation is because you're going to be dancing, you're going to be sweating, and you don't want to use a dewy foundation because that will just make the situation worse. It will make you sweat more, oil more. So to conquer that, we're using a matte foundation, and just make sure you blend everything in really well because you don't want a cakey look. So I'm just taking my brush and blending the foundation in. Next, I'm going to use this NYX Conceal and Correct palette and using these two shades from here and applying it under my eyes. I'm not using a ton of amount because I still want to keep it natural because of the oil and sweat as I mentioned earlier. So I'm just blending this out onto my face to give it a seamless finish. Next up, I'll set everything in place with this ADS banana powder, and this is a yellow powder, so this will ensure that your makeup stays on for long and does not move throughout the day. It will just set, so I'm using it under my chin, under my contour and under my eyes, and some on my forehead as well. Moving on to the eyes, I'll be using the BhCosmetics Take Back to Brazil palette, and I'll be using the concealer first to prime my eyelids because you want the colors to pop and the shadow to stay on for long. So I'm going to prime my lids, and then we're going to move on to this orange shade. I'm going to use two orange shades and buff it on my crease area to give it a soft blend. I'm doing a very colorful look, so this is a transition shade. And then I'm using the pink in the outer corner of my eye, and I'm just blending it inwards after blending it on the outer edge, and I hope you're getting what I'm saying. And next, I'm just taking the blue shade and I'm applying it on my eyelid area, like the inner corner sort of the area. I feel this would give an amazing look, and I just applied it with my fingers because I feel I could get a better pigmentation this way. And now I'm taking these two blue shades and putting it between the pink and the blue to give it a purple vibe, so that creates a very nice transition between the two shades and it looks amazing. I did the same on my right eye, and now I'm going to take this bright neon green color and apply it in my inner corners. I feel this gives a bright pop of color to your look and it looks super amazing. Now I'm just smoking out my lower lash line with the same orange and pink colors. I'm applying it obviously on my lower lash line like both the eyes to give it a balanced look. Now I'm gonna do my favorite step, that is curling my lashes, and I love this step. This makes such a huge difference. And now I'll apply mascara. This is the Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. I love this mascara also. This just volumizes your lashes so much. It honestly, see the difference. This is insane. This is crazy. I love this mascara. So I'm just gonna apply it on my other eye also, and then we'll move further. Onto my brows, I'll be using this Wet n Wild brow kit, and I'm just very slightly filling in my brows because I got thick brows already. Now I'm just gonna dust off the bake because it has been sitting for long, and now we're all set to remove it. So I'm just gonna dust it off with a brush, obviously. Then I'm going to move on to the Wet n Wild contouring tool, and I'm going to use the brown powder to contour my face, like to slightly bronze plus contour. I'm just doing it 2-in-1, whatever. Next, I'm just using the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Perlascent Pink. I got this new blush and I love this one. This has slight shimmer in it, so it looks like very radiant and nice on the skin. So I'm using it all over my face because I love to blush it up. And now I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution highlighter. This is the Pro Illuminate highlighter and this is so pigmented. Literally, it's so pigmented. So I'm just going to take some on my brush. This is a blending brush and I'll apply it to my cheekbones, and then I'll apply some on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and then I'll move on to the bridge of my nose, and then some on the cupid's bow, and then some on the chin. Next up, I'm applying this white eyeliner pencil from Miss Claire onto my waterline. This makes a huge difference. I love this step. This just opens up your eyes like crazy. Next, I'm going to apply some lashes. These are from Wish and I'm going to apply the middle one and I'll be right back. Lashes make a huge difference, as you know. I'm a fan of lashes. And now I'm going to move on to my lips. I'm using the Hilary Rhoda lip definer in the shade Rust Pink. I'm just filling it in because I love this lip liner, and I'm using the Me Now lip liner now in the nude shade. This does not have any name or number. I'm just using it to nude it down a little bit because it gives an amazing color. And now I'm going to apply some gloss. This is the Bolly Glow gloss in the shade, there's no shade name actually, I got it in the lip trio known as Raw Footage. So it is a lip gloss from the lip trio. So I'm just applying some lip gloss onto my lips to give it a nice plumped look. And now I'm going to be using this BhCosmetics facial mist spray all over my face to seal the deal and give my face a radiant look. And I'm just, drying it down. And now comes the fun part of actually applying this face sticker onto my face. So I'll just take this sticker, I'll just peel it off from the, whatever plastic sheet it comes with, and I'm just gonna apply it on my forehead. And I was so freaking excited. Just look at my face. I'm just like, I was so excited, and it was like honestly such a crazy experience to like see this sticker on my head. And I was just laughing like a crazy person. So I feel this look is crazy, but I love the sticker. And I'm just gonna apply the remaining bits on the side of my face. Like I'm using this on the cheekbones area because that's how it came. And basically you can see the whole look. It's so cute. So now I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be right back.
This is the complete look, guys. I hope you like this look because I think this is crazy, and I'm realizing my forehead is so small because I've seen like people put this sticker and they still have a lot of space in their forehead, but oh my god, this is the complete look. I am totally in love. This is crazy and I've never done something like this before, and I am totally crushing on this look. I feel this is very Coachella appropriate. The colorful eyes, the jewelry, the top buns, and this sticker obviously which inspired us to do the whole look. Please let me know in the comments down below if you like this look because mehnat ki hai yaar. Please let me know, okay? And this sticker is coming off. Oh my god. So yeah, comment down below your thoughts, and please do hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Please also do subscribe to my channel for more such content, and also click the notification bell, and I'll insert some clips of me now, like the whole makeup, the close-up and all, like the beauty shots and stuff. So keep on enjoying till the end, and when this video finishes, do give this video a thumbs up.